Registration of would-be members of PhilHealth will soon be made easier and faster. This will be done through biometric equipment to be received by PhilHealth. Sam Ramirez with this report.
The Philippine Medical Association will be donating 100 million pesos worth of biometrics equipment to the Philippine Health Insurance Company. This was announced by Dr. Mike Aragon, Executive Director of the Philippine Medical Association, in a press conference. This aims to make the registration process of PhilHealth easier, faster, and more organized so as not to burden the would-be members. Dr. Aragon hopes that this move would somehow facilitate the implementation of the National Health Insurance Act of 2013, which was signed by President Aquino just this June. The new provision in the said act mandates the health insurance coverage of all, especially the indigents and persons with disabilities. Individuals living below the poverty line will be the first in line for registration. This will be the priority of the Philippine Medical Association, according to Dr. Aragon.
Particularly, ang target po namin dito sa 100 million initially is the 14 million poorest of the poor, yung kasama sa 4Ps ni Presidente Aquino. Ita-target namin na i-register sila, and this was identified, these people were identified by the DSWD.
Dr. Aragon also added that as soon as PhilHealth accepts their donation, they will start placing the biometrics equipment in 3,050 rural health centers.
Nagkakaproblema ngayon yung PhilHealth at this point in time na i-register, i-biometrics, i-document, no? Electronic documents yung mga kababayan natin, especially in the rural areas, kasi napakalayo po. They have to go to the urban centers sa office ng PhilHealth para mag-register. Wala nga pamasahe itong mga kababayan natin.
Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.